Hey guys, this is Lakshmi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a big life update to share with you guys. I joined Capgemini Engineering in May 2022. Prior to that, where was I working? I was working for Honeywell Technology Solutions as a software engineer. So I joined Capgemini in 2022 May as a senior software engineer, and it's been almost a month now and it's been exciting. I received a welcome kit from Capgemini. I thought I should share this with all of you. So let's do the unboxing of the welcome kit. So what is a welcome kit? A welcome kit is basically that companies give to the new joinees so that they feel a sense of belongingness with the company. As we all joined virtually throughout the pandemic, we could not meet people physically. Companies would love to send their goodies, also called as welcome kit. So usually the welcome kit has things with the company brand logo, things which make you feel good. Definitely when I saw the welcome kit, I felt really good. Welcome kit generally has a laptop or does not have a laptop. My welcome kit, it's just the goodies, not the laptop. The laptop arrives separately. Without any much talking, let's get into the video. So this is the welcome kit. It says Capgemini with the logo and get the future you want. I did not know how to open it, so I just cut open here and cut it open this way. Let's open this now. Let's go through each one of it. Let us now open the box. So this is what is in the box. First there is a note. It says, "Dear colleague, welcome to Capgemini family. We are thrilled to choose Capgemini as the place to grow your career. Hope you like your welcome kit and carry these Capgemini branded merchandise with pride." The next one is a pen. See, I open this, it is having a pen and it says Capgemini. This is the pen. The next is this bottle. It's a very nice Servewell bottle, great bottle, steel bottle. Capgemini, get the future you want, it says. This is the bottle. Next is a note that they have sent along, full of Capgemini goodness, and it says, "Get the future you want." Next is this diary. This is a very nice diary. It says Capgemini and its logo, and this is an empty diary, so to write all your to-do list, journaling, and all of those kind of things. This is the diary. Next is a Capgemini hat. It's a very nice hat. Then you have a coffee mug. You can use it as a coffee mug. So that's how it opens. And next is this. It's a bag. So it's a big bag. It says Capgemini. It's a bag this way. It's a big bag. So this is it in the box. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more videos like this. Also, if you have any queries about any of the things that is explained in the video, leave a question in the comments and try my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye. And wish me luck in the comments.